put together. Still got to get some waiting for the headers for these. Rotary encoder. One screw right position. The other one is about 1.5 mil, 2 mil out. I'd say 2 mil if you want to put it, move it across, Brett. What was I using? I was using these ones here. They're the second smallest you can get, but they're the ones I've used. Now, resistors. If you're putting your resistors in and you're just using the standard resistors, not the surface mount stuff that's really cool, and I'm going to change the surface mount in the next couple of shots when I can afford it, but at the moment I can't afford it, so I'm using these. I've got to get them in between the cases for the batteries, so or the holders I mean. So I had to use a screwdriver to push them down into there, otherwise I would not be able to solder them in between. So I've had to change the design a little bit and put it on the other side. These should be sitting like that, out like that. I'm going to snap them, I can see it. Suggestion, anyone doing this, forget about getting these discrete components. Go and buy yourself a hot air gun and get the right surface mount stuff. The stuff I'm doing here, I'm cringing at. So yeah, I suggest that you go and buy yourself a hot air gun and solder them with a paste and a hot air gun. And that's about it from me. So as I said before, the rotor encoder needs to be moved about 2 mil. If you like this, please subscribe and please like. Please leave a comment. Love to see your comments about this. Love to see anything really. Just say hello. Okay, and catch you on the next one. Bye.